Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add stickers to your calendar on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So go ahead and open up your calendar. I'm going to open up my calendar right now, and I'm going to simply find something that I can relate to. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose, for example, here where I have something in my calendar that says Jamaican link up. I'm going to tap on that. Now, once I open up the calendar, you can do this if you're setting a new calendar event or you currently have something in your calendar already. But once you do that, all you have to do is just open up that event. You don't even have to edit it. Just simply click the emoji icon on the upper right hand side. I'm going to tap on that. And let's say, as it says Jamaican link up, I'm going to simply go ahead and look for something. So I can go ahead and I can look for a flag. So I'm going to go ahead and find that. And as you can see, I add Jamaican flag there to the upper right hand side. Now I'm going to simply click on save, and you will see that it's now added there. Now if I go back to my calendar like that, you can see that it added there as a sticker in the calendar. And you can do this for wherever you want. So you can simply go ahead and add a sticker to your calendar event on your Samsung phone or Android phone. Very easy and very simple, guys.